The success of this Go Virginia grant has meant that we are able to supply our manufacturers with more able-bodied, skilled welders, which they desperately need. It enables our students to stay local here in the community.
The welding program, it really boosted my skill level and gave me some lifelong assets that I cannot thank the program enough for. And they're also the ones that helped me get to where I am right now.
So the welding program got me the job I'm at now, so it set up my career for the future. It improved my skills tremendously. I didn't know how to weld before I started here, and now that's what I do for work, so that's where I give most credit to.
My company, over half the employees came from this program. It's accelerating growth and opportunity, like I say, for not only for the kids to get good jobs right off the bat, but like I say, for companies to not fear growth because of not having enough employment.
Every single local business that we send our students to, we get wonderful reviews from, and that offers them a potential for a great opportunity to make a lot of money. And at a young age, if a young student can come out of high school making $24 to $30 an hour in that range, I think that's a really good start for them, and it's just a start. They can keep on continuing.
BTEC does a very good job of instilling the basics in them. Like that, what it boils down to is you have to have a good foundation to build on, and they are great at that. Asher came to us, she was very good. That's what we love about the students that come from here. It's just, they just need a little bit of refinement, and then they're ready to hit the floor.
Welding is a high demand field, and so we want to be able to supply the students with that education so they can continue on with their livelihood of being a welder.
For the first time, we didn't have to cut students out that were deserving of moving on. The state only allows a certain number of students in each class, and the addition of these 10 booths allowed us to increase our capacity and also hire an additional teacher.
To be able to provide trained employees for these industries who need welders so that they don't have to hire them and train them and then put them to work has been a great benefit to all of the local industries.
I think that Go Virginia really fits the career and technical education pathway, and it can help you get funding that you otherwise may not be able to get.